Imagine typing a single sentence and getting an entire working app back in seconds. Not a prototype. Not a demo. A production-ready application with authentication, database queries, and a beautiful front end. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now in 2026, and it is completely reshaping the software industry. In fact, recent estimates suggest that over 40% of all new code written globally is now generated by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the age of AI code generation. Before we dive into the insanity, hit that subscribe button because what you are about to see will completely change how you think about programming forever. If you are a developer, a founder, or anyone who has ever thought about building software, this year is the most exciting and terrifying time to be alive. AI coding assistants have evolved far beyond simple autocomplete. We are talking about systems that understand your entire codebase, reason about complex architectural decisions, and generate thousands of lines of flawless code from a single natural language prompt. In this video, we are breaking down the 5 most mind-blowing ways AI code generation is transforming the tech landscape in 2026. Let us start with the biggest game changer. In 2025, tools like Cursor and Claude Code could help you write code faster, but they still required you to architect the solution. In 2026, that has completely flipped. You can now describe your entire application in plain English. Tell the AI you want a real-time collaborative task management app with user authentication, WebSocket integration, and a Kanban board, and it will generate the entire codebase. Every file. Every route. Every database migration. We are talking tens of thousands of lines of code, generated in minutes. Companies like Replit and GitHub have reported that their AI agents can now handle over 70% of greenfield project scaffolding, reducing initial development time from weeks to hours. The second revolution is how we fix broken code. Remember the days of staring at stack traces, copying error messages into Google, and browsing through Stack Overflow threads from 2018? Those days are ending. Modern AI code generators can analyze runtime errors in real time, understand the full context of your application state, and suggest precise fixes. They do not just tell you what is wrong. They explain the root cause in plain language, show you the fix, and even apply it automatically with your permission. The latest benchmarks show that AI debuggers can resolve over 60% of common production bugs without any human intervention, which is absolutely insane when you think about how much time that saves. If you are loving this content so far, subscribe right now. We are just getting to the really good stuff. Here is something that would have sounded impossible just 3 years ago. You can take a legacy code base written in an old language, tell the AI you want it migrated to a modern stack, and it will handle the entire conversion. We are talking about taking 1 million lines of COBOL from a banking system and converting it to modern Go or Rust. The AI understands the semantics, preserves the business logic, and generates idiomatic code in the target language. This is huge for enterprises sitting on decades-old systems that they have been afraid to touch. Major financial institutions have already used this to migrate core banking systems that were written in the 1980s, saving hundreds of millions of dollars in the process. The fourth transformation is in code review. Traditional code review is slow, expensive, and inconsistent. Human reviewers miss things. They get tired. They have bad days. AI code reviewers, on the other hand, are relentless. They scan every single line, check for security vulnerabilities, performance bottlenecks, and stylistic inconsistencies. They catch SQL injection points that human reviewers missed. They flag memory leaks before they hit production. They ensure every function has proper error handling. And they do all of this in seconds, not days. Teams using AI code review have reported catching up to 95% of critical security issues before code ever reaches production, a massive improvement over the 70% average for human-only reviews. Perhaps the most profound impact of AI code generation is what it means for entrepreneurship. In 2024, starting a software company meant you needed a technical co-founder, a development team, and significant funding. In 2026, solo founders are building and launching profitable SaaS products entirely with AI-generated code. They describe their vision to an AI agent, iterate on the output, and deploy within days instead of months. We are seeing a Cambrian explosion of micro-startups built by people who have never written a line of code in their lives. The barrier to entry for software creation has essentially collapsed, and the results are staggering. Thousands of new products launching every single month, all powered by AI-generated code. So there you have it. AI code generation is not coming. It is already here, and it is fundamentally rewriting the rules of software development, debugging, migration, review, and even entrepreneurship. Whether you are a seasoned developer looking to supercharge your productivity or a complete beginner wondering if you can build that app idea you have been sitting on, the answer is yes. And the tools to do it are available right now. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next deep dive. We have an incredible video coming up on how AI is transforming the healthcare industry, and trust me, you do not want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.